We're going to look at trailing stitch, which is this one here, which is a form of couching stitch. This is the couching where we just do a few stitches all the way along to secure a thread, usually a decorative one. This one, you're actually going to cover the entire thread and create sort of a raised stitch. So you can use any kind of thread you like. I've just got some of this thread that we used up here. And there's two ways to start really. You can either do a couch stitch all the way along like this one to secure your length of thread, and I definitely suggest that if you are going to do a long piece. You can't have it moving around all the time, that'd be really annoying. Oh, I've just gone through that there. Start again. I'm not going to do that because I'm just using a really short piece to demonstrate this. Not quite the end. I'm going to do the ends separately. And you're just going to go down and do a normal couch stitch. And then instead of moving further along, you're going to do it right next to the stitch you've already done. I am using 6 strands of thread here because we want it to be quite chunky. We also want it to be quite easy to cover. So the less strands you use, the harder it is, well not harder, the longer it will take to cover all your thread. We're just sewing over, coming down, going up on the opposite side, coming down. If you keep very close to the thread you're covering, you're going to make sort of a roll effect. If you do slightly longer stitches, sort of coming over from here to here, you will get a raise, but it'll give you a different effect. So it just depends what effect you're looking for. This stitch will be used in stump work mainly. It does create a 3D effect. It might be nice on flowers, the stems of flowers. It might be good for a snail's body. Just trying to think now. A ladder in a garden picture. It would have lots of uses. It can also be used as an abstract piece. You could have a lovely sort of blend of colours going in a circle or a line. And it's a very easy stitch. It would be an easy way to add some depth and texture to your embroidery. So I've done the main stitching here. I've still got the ends to do. If you couch all the way along before you start the trailing stitch, then it is easier to start right at the end, but we didn't do that. So with the ends you just continue, but your stitches are going to get a little bit smaller. There we have trailing stitch, which is a type of couching stitch.